Alright, so we've been away from the GTI for a while. The head has been at 2 machine shops. Machine shop number 1 sandblasted the head and put all the new valve springs, retainers, and everything else on. But they also sandblasted the cam journals and the lifter buckets.
And everything.
Yeah, and everything. So like, you know, you don't want to put a cam on a textured surface. Like, that's just not good.
I'm not a doctor.
He said it would polish itself out. I'm not a doctor or anything. So we tried it. We gave him the benefit of the doubt. You know, put the cams in, the valve cover / cam cap on, and they would not move at all. So went to machine shop number 2. They fixed that, and they didn't fix the lifter buckets because we didn't think about it until after it was there. So then we went to the gun store and got a 45 polishing kit because it measured out to 0.45 and polished that out, and now those are good. And the motor's back together, ready to go in the car.
You want to slot that one more time?
We have IE edition Mahle rods, pistons, rings, new bearings. I think they're King bearings all through. Head studs, lifters, retainers, valves. What am I missing, Kibby? We got it all?
No,
That's pretty much it.
boat motor.
Stock block, stock crank.
Yes.
Stock cams. Everything else is...
What turbo?
I think it just has a CTS K04 turbo on it right now, and the owner plans to upgrade to like a Garrett GTX turbo at some point, but this was freshly purchased before the motor ordeal happened, so he's gonna ride this one out for a little.
Need some fuel system too.
Yeah, also needs some fuel system for sure. Snug. Is it update time now?
It's going.
Okay. So we've got the transmission, made it up to the motor. Just got the starter on. I just got to torque 2 bolts on the bottom, put the pendulum mount on the front, and then we're gonna go ahead and swing this motor into this car.
No, that one.
So we have the motor in the car. Progress. We're now gonna go ahead and wire up all of this mess. Figure out where this all goes. It kind of just, I honestly don't even know. We're gonna go one thing at a time. And it
Everything should like fall into place.
I don't
right?
know where these go though. These are like, I can't figure
those
this
ones?
out.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I don't even know where to begin
Where
to
are
like
those-
go with
yeah,
them,
right
honestly.
there,
So
yeah.
I'm just gonna start down here somewhere.
I'm not a doctor.
Yeah, me either. All right.
So what's up?
You ready?
Okay.
All right. So we have the downpipe all bolted up, all of the coolant lines, a couple of the charge pipes, just kind of leading up and out, intake pipe. We're getting ready to switch his intercooler out right now before we throw the front core on, as he's got a European spec S3 intercooler, which is bigger than the GTI and A3 intercooler, but it has aluminum end tanks instead of plastic. So it's a good like OEM plus option. So here we have the European S3 intercooler lined up with the GTI stock intercooler. As you can see, there's more core thickness. And then the end tanks are now aluminum, so you don't have to worry about the plastic cracking. I'm not sure on the actual cubic inches volume difference, but you can ask the owner. He knows. I don't know. It's better. Trust me, it's better. It's better. There we go. Front end back together. All the charge pipes are hooked up, coolant hoses, wires, everything. It's got oil, it's got water, it's got gas. We're gonna go ahead and prime it and get some oil and water running through the turbo and the block, and then hopefully we'll go ahead and give it a start here soon. How's it sound up front?
Sounds good.
Is it pretty quiet?
Yeah, I mean, there's no knocking or anything, so that's a good thing.
I've never put a rotating assembly together. Leave me alone. I'm gonna give her a couple more of these.
Sounds like it has compression.
Yep. Does it?
Yeah,
Oh, good.
sounds like it's got
All right,
compression.
one more.
It's not like,
No
Making-
fuel's coming out of that, right?
No.
Okay.
Let's make a big boost.
yeah, it's making turbo noises.
He's red.
Hold
He's
on,
anxious.
we're gonna do another prime, but with the fuel. First start. So we primed the block and the turbo, I guess, with oil and water. We cranked it a few times, so let's hope this baby starts up. Water.
little pop.
This thing was smoking like a motherfucker when we pulled it in, so it's gonna be a smoke show.
Yeah.
I don't want to overheat the starter, so I'm gonna.
Test drive.
Test drive.
Hey, you want me to shut the door?
Yeah, just so it stays cool, please. God, I'm afraid to like go over anything not flat in this car. Oh, that's what I mean.
Yeah.
Did you hear the turbo?
Yeah, changes gears too.
Damn, I need a callus down pipe. Why is this shit not reading the codes though? I think I'm gonna turn around though before it rains.
Yeah.
Why is it doing that? It's like stuck in gear. That's weird. No wonder he loves this thing. It's kind of fun. It's a little rowdy. All right, we just got back from our test drive a little bit ago. That went well. We went up to our buddy Tyler's, got the air conditioning charged. Everything went pretty good. So now it's time to drive it and break it in.
See you guys later, right? Is that
Bye,
what-
guys. Deuces. I'm about to get struck by lightning. Bye forever.
A great success.